Hello, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to send money on Capital One using Zelle. So log into your Capital One account and this should be the landing page. By the way, I have 4 accounts right here as a sample. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. Let me just get my brush right there so I can have visual aids over here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this 360 checking. Okay, now if I choose this one, I'm going to click this view account, right? I'm going to click this one. Now if I click on this one, this would be my next screen. This is the 360 checking account earlier, right? This is the one I clicked earlier. Let me just choose a brush again. Now, if I choose 360 account or 360 checking, you're gonna see right here, let me just choose another color, send money with Zelle. Basically, just click on this option right here and then fill out the amount and the application and the recipient's information, of course. And that's it. Basically, that's how you send money with Zelle. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.